Örebro Hockey Play presenteras av Tandvårdshuset på Storgatan 8 i Örebro samt restaurang Safore. Rodrigo, first of all, warm welcome back to Örebro.
Yeah, thank you.
On a loan from Florida Panthers, how does it feel to be back here in Örebro?
It feels a little weird, obviously, not being here for a year, but still feels like home coming back, walking to all the places and having a lot of good memories coming back.
Tell me about the decision to, in this weird time, to come back and start the season here.
Yeah, it was actually pretty easy. Once I found out that AHL or NHL wasn't going to start until December, wanted a place to practice, wanted a place to play in, and come in here. I'm not going to come here and just to pass time. I'm going to come here, play as hard as I can, and try to help the team win.
So what's your expectation of the upcoming season?
Honestly, I haven't thought about it too much. Just got in here, was kind of waiting to see if all the paperwork gets done and everything's fine and I can come. But obviously, I know some of the players. Maybe I don't know them personally, but I know them as players. So I think we have a great group. I think we've gotten stronger than the years before. So I think we just got to keep on building what we have the last 2 years.
Before last season, you signed a 2-year deal with Florida. Tell me about last season.
It was up and down. Definitely didn't start the way I wanted to. Didn't play as much as I'd like to, but then I feel like I worked for it, earned my chance, and kind of proved that I can play over there. So second year was really good, and I'm looking forward to kind of build on it and keep working.
Early morning here and busy day for you. How is the schedule look today?
Yeah, a little different. Obviously, used to getting a little later up in the summer, but I like it. I'm a early bird. So do some testing, go on a skate with the guys, and get a feel for the gear and kind of get the legs going.
I know it was a little bit of a special summer for you. You got married with your wife now. How was it?
It was great. It was like we kind of talked about it. It was our dream come true. Everything that we planned went through, which usually doesn't happen in weddings. So we were pretty happy, and all the people involved, family, friends, and people who helped it happen were great.
Great, Rodrigo. We're glad to have you here and looking forward to see you on the ice.
Yeah, thank you very much.